Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right account permissions. Without them, you cannot change the lock screen. Open Settings from Start and go straight to Personalization, then Lock Screen. You want to identify whether the image is set by Windows Spotlight, an app, or a local file because the removal method differs. Once done, make sure you know the image source. This knowledge lets you choose the precise next action and avoids toggling unrelated options. Now you act. Change the background setting to solid color or a neutral picture so the unwanted wallpaper is replaced. If the image is a file, click Browse and pick a new image or choose solid color to remove imagery entirely. If an app or enterprise policy controls the lock screen, open Apps or Settings accounts or contact IT. Check Local Group Policy Editor or Registry only if comfortable. These steps replace the image and stop automatic resets. Finish by locking your PC or signing out to confirm the new lock screen appears. This verifies success quickly. If the old wallpaper reappears, make sure sync settings are off and that no corporate policy or app is reapplying it. Those override local changes. If needed, delete the specific image file from user app data or reset personalization settings. Be careful with registry edits. One key troubleshooting tip: when policies persist, contact your administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.